deep in the heart of the African jungle. A large honeycomb hung from the branch of a tall tree. One day, a curious elephant wandered by, and mistaking the honeycomb for food, he tried to eat it. But he didn't realize the danger that lurked within. In an instant, angry bees swarmed out, covering his entire body. The elephant panicked. He cried out in pain and began running wildly through the jungle, desperate to escape the stings. But the more he moved, the more bees followed, biting and buzzing relentlessly. Terrified and in agony, the elephant had no choice. He threw himself into the nearest waterhole, hoping to wash them away. But the bees didn't stop. Just when it seemed like there was no hope, a man passing by spotted the struggling elephant. And immediately called for help. Within moments, a specialized rescue team was dispatched. They wasted no time, rushing to the scene and beginning their urgent mission. First, they checked the elephant's condition. Then, with care and expertise, they began the treatment. Soothing the elephant's pain, removing the bees, and helping him breathe easy once again. The elephant was safe. Thanks to quick thinking, teamwork, and compassion. Finally, to prevent this from happening again, a special unit arrived to safely cover and relocate the honeycomb. Thank you for watching this heart-touching rescue story. Subscribe and follow our channel for more incredible animal rescues and inspiring wildlife adventures.